Diesel trucks are our bread and butter at PALS. People love diesels, and at PALS, we love diesels. Boats come in all sizes. This is a Regal. It has an inboard-outboard Volvo 4.3 engine in it. The starter that starts the engine has failed. We will replace it, and when we get done, the engine will start and run as it should. If you have a boat, bring it to PALS.
Here at PALS Ocala Auto Repair, we work on anything. Over here, we have a tiny trailer that has electrical issues when hooked to the vehicle. And back here, we have a motor coach that we'll be looking at the generator on shortly. So if you need help with your SUV, your trailer, or RV, please feel free to contact PALS Ocala Auto Repair.